Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use NotebookLM to rank on Google Maps. Watch this. All right, guys, I hope everybody's doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how using NotebookLM, how it could help you get ranked on Google Maps. So today I am using the keyword criminal justice attorney. You could be an electrician, a roofer, a plumber, a dentist, whatever you do, right? So just to be clear, this is the area that we're talking about, Google Maps, also known as Google Business Profile. This is the most clicked area on Google. You want to be here, right? So I'm going to show you today how a NotebookLM could help you get ranked on Google Maps. All right, guys, so we'll make this real easy. What we're going to do is we're just going to come over to Google and we're going to type in Florida crime, right? Because we're using Florida criminal justice attorney, right? So we'll just type in Florida crime and we'll look at some of the news stories that just came out. Florida man ran over a stranger after a fight with his mother. It's interesting. In the Tampa Bay Times, we have Coast Guard offloads 38 tons of drugs worth $470 million. Well, you know what? That seems like that could be interesting. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take this story and we're going to repurpose it. Now, before anybody says, oh, you can't, you could do that. You could repurpose stories. In fact, when you turn on the news in the morning, the first story may be about this story, but channel 2, channel 4, and channel 7 have a different spin on it because they repurposed it from the Associated Press. We're doing the same thing. If you're a criminal justice attorney, if you're a plumber, you want to try to get something that's trending in your industry or something that people are talking about. The first thing that we want to do is we want to post on social media. Why? Because it's the easiest thing to do. So let's take this story and bring it over to NotebookLM. All right, guys, so we can hop on right over here to NotebookLM. The address is notebooklm.google.com. And you'll come to a page that looks just like this. I love NotebookLM because it produces different types of content, not just blog articles, but videos, audio, and reports, and as well as blog articles, right? So we're going to come over and we're going to add that story, right? The story that we just said about the drugs, right? So we're going to add that link, and then we're also, watch what we're going to do now. Now we're going to take, for example, if I was working for this client right here, Richard Hornsby. If I was working for him, I would take this page, right? And I'm going to put that in NotebookLM as well. You may say, "What? Why are you doing that?" The reason why I'm doing that is because I'm going to tell NotebookLM to write the article, create the video, create the audio as if Richard Hornsby was the author of it, okay? So let's see how that works out. So let me give it a prompt. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I know this could be tough and I know you may not have a lot of time. I do client work, so if you'd like to reach out, just come to my website. It's mindsaw.com. Click the Talk With Me button. We'll set up a quick 5 or 10 minute quick call to see if we're a good fit. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. So let's write these social media posts. So I put in the article. I also put in my website. And when I wrote the prompt here, the first time I just wrote about, please summarize the article. But the second time I put also, please include my thoughts. I'm a criminal justice attorney. I gave you my website and please include my contact information, right? Just something simple like that. And what it did is it created the social media post that I could use on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, right? I could use this post, right? And then what it did, which I love right here, is it gave my contact information, right? Isn't that great? So all we have to do is just take the picture from here, right? We take this picture, we copy this picture, we put it on our Facebook, our LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram. We write the article underneath. We have some contact information. And you know what? This is the first time we refreshed our social media in the last 6 months, right? And we need to do this at least once a day. It would be optimal, probably three or four times a day. And here's the great thing. You could post the same article, just rewrite it. Just rewrite the article. Not everybody's going to see the first time you post, right? So we have the article, but now we want to do something for YouTube. And let's face it, you're probably not a YouTube star, but you need stuff on YouTube. So that's the great thing about NotebookLM, is that NotebookLM creates videos for you. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put this text right here, this article that NotebookLM wrote, and I'm going to make a video out of it. Let's see what happens. Okay, guys, so here it is. Look at this video that NotebookLM created out of the article and also from our website.
You've seen the headlines, right? These massive, record-breaking drug busts. You see the pictures, giant piles of narcotics, officials at a press conference. But here's the thing. That's just chapter 1. What we're going to do in this explainer is go beyond the headline, beyond the flashing cameras, and look at the complex, kind of invisible legal journey that follows. So let's get into it. Okay, let's start with a number. $470 million. Just wow, let that sink in. A number that big, it almost doesn't feel real, you know? So what is that? What are we talking about here? Well, that's the estimated street value of the biggest drug seizure in US Coast Guard.
Guys, are you getting tingles? I mean, now you have a video that you could put on your YouTube channel. You could also add it to your Facebook page, your Twitter. It's a 5-minute video. You just download it and re-upload it to Facebook, Twitter. Now, what you could also do is you could take this video and you could put it on your website, right on your blog. You could write a blog post to it. Guys, it's endless what you could do here, right? I just want you to know that you have to create content. You have to have somebody in your office. Gone are the days of just having a 10-page website and leaving it alone. Those days are over. You need somebody in your office constantly churning out content. And don't be afraid of AI junk. You're not going to be able to push out good content by creating videos, starting from a blank canvas, or writing starting from a blank, notepad. You need a head start. You need to use AI. I think that NotebookLM is one of the best tools for creating content. It creates videos. It creates audio. It creates blogs, right? So I want you to start thinking about that. I also want you to think about creating these videos for your neighborhood pages, right? So for example, I lived in Clearwater, around the Clearwater area in Tampa. So I want to talk about how SEO is done in Clearwater, for example, right? So I'll create, several videos on YouTube, on NotebookLM about SEO in Clearwater, and then upload them to my YouTube page. And in the description, I'll create a link, for example, mindsaw.com/Clearwater SEO, right? Put that on my Facebook, put it on Twitter, create a blog page out of that, create an off-page content about that. Right? So if you need backlinks, you take this article and this video, and who's ever providing backlinks for you, give them that content, and they could embed the video on the page as well. So that's really good for having people stay on your page longer. Guys, if there's something that I could do for you, I show you, but just come to my website, mindsaw.com. I'll be happy to help you. If you have somebody in your office, or you're working with a development team, give them this video and we need to be pumping out much more content than we're pumping out now. So I hope this video helped you. Hey guys, I hope my videos help you, and I think NotebookLM is a fantastic tool for you to use. If you already have a Google account, you get it free. If you upgraded your Google account, I think it's Google Suite, you get the Pro version, but it's outrageous. It's a great tool to have, and don't get overwhelmed by all the new tools that are coming out and all the new videos that are coming out. Just try to master one, and I think NotebookLM is just a great place to start. Guys, I hope you like this video. I make these videos for you because I know that you're working hard to take care of your family. I know that it's very, very difficult, and you just worked a full day and you just dealt with customers and employees and certain things that now you have to come home and now watch SEO videos on how to rank. You know, I know in the beginning, starting a business is really, really tough. I just wanted to tell you that you could do it. I hope that you understand that. I really believe that you could do it, right? Don't try to take on too much. Don't get overwhelmed. Be good to your family. Kiss your wife. Kiss your kids. They're the reason why you do this, right? Right? So be good to your family, and we will catch you the next time. Catch you tomorrow. All right, bye.